want to show you one of my favorite features of Gmail. This is something that I use in my work all the time, and I'm going to tell you why I use it. So, right down here under send, there is an option to schedule your send, and you can schedule this to go out at any time in the future. So, the reason I use this is because I realized early on in my career as a web designer that I was training my clients to expect immediate responses from me. So I check my email several times a day. And if I get something in that's just a quick request, I'll fire off an answer. And that's great for the client when I provide immediate responses to them. But what I realized was that it made them, one, reliant on me because it was just as fast to ask me as it was to Google something. And two, they would get really frustrated if I did take a day or two to reply to them. I'd get a couple of emails just like, hey, did you get my email? Because they were so used to that immediate response. Now, I can't always provide that kind of response for clients, and I don't want to train them to expect it or to come to me immediately with any question that happens to pop in their mind. So, what I've done is I've started using schedule send. So I still respond to their question, get it off my plate, out of my cognitive load, and it's done to me, but I'm scheduling it to go out a few hours or a day later so that there is a delay and I'm not training them to expect an immediate response. Now, you may be like, well, why don't you just go ahead and send it? There's another reason too. So, in addition, I find that after I send an email, I'm like, oh, I didn't think about this, or I should have said this. And now my brain has time to do all of that work, and I can go back in and edit the email before it actually goes out to the client. And it will contain all of that extra information that my brain has decided to process after I have sent the email. So, building in that delay not only helps my client because I'm providing more information typically, but I love being able to schedule the send, getting something off my plate, but not training my clients to expect immediate responses. I hope this helps you.